Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to another English class. In this lesson, we will be learning about the future tense, by using will and want. For example, as you can see this gentleman right here saying the following: I will visit my friend tomorrow. I won't stay at home. So as you can see right here, there he's using the future tense by only including will and want for negative. So let's get into it, okay? The future is uncertain sometimes, but we can make a easy decision when things are in front of us with what we will or what we won't be doing. I think I won't order anything today is the first sentence. I will bring you a drink while you wait. Next sentence is your food will be ready soon. So we have to match these sentences with these pictures, okay? So let's look at this one. What do you think is happening here? Do you think this lady is saying, I think I won't order anything today? Or do you think she's saying, I will bring you a drink while you wait? Or your food will be ready soon? Yes, I think I won't order anything today, right? She doesn't seem very decisive about what she wants. Now, the next one, right here, will or want. I will bring you a drink while you wait, or your food will be ready soon. Which one would you think? I think will be, I will bring, your food will be ready soon, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. What do you think this nice waitress is saying to the customers? I will bring you a drink while you wait. Is that the correct answer? Or could it be that she said, your food will be ready soon? Which one do you think? I will be a drink while you wait, or your food will be ready soon? Let's check the answers. Maybe this will go here and this one goes here. Yep, we got them right. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the verb will, when to use will positively and negatively, affirmative and negative. So this is the future with will, okay? We use will to talk about the future. For example, if you have an affirmative sentence, or positive sentence, you will say, I will come to the meeting. You will come to the meeting. He will come to the meeting. She will come to the meeting. We will come to the meeting. You will come to the meeting. And they will come to the meeting. Simple as that, right? When you are stating something affirmative and positive, you put will after the pronoun. Okay? So to make a negative, you will use want, okay? And it will go right after the pronoun. For example, I won't come to the meeting. You won't come to the meeting. He won't come to the meeting. She won't come to the meeting. We won't come to the meeting. You all won't come to the meeting. And they won't come to the meeting. This is the two ways to make something positive, affirmative, or something negative. Now, if you want to create sentences that are going to ask questions, then you will put the will or the want before the pronoun, okay? The contracts such as, will you come to the meeting? Will I come to the meeting? Will he come to the meeting? Or, won't I come to the meeting? Won't you come to the meeting? Won't she come to the meeting? That is what you will do. You will bring the will or want before the pronoun to make a question. Contractions. The contractions that you'll see is you have the pronoun I, they put apostrophe, and the LL, and you pronounce I'll, which means I will. He will, the construction, you have the pronoun, you have an apostrophe, and then you add ll, he'll, which means he will. She will, you have the pronoun, apostrophe, ll, she'll. We will, pronoun we, apostrophe, ll, will. You will, the pronoun, apostrophe, ll, you will, you'll. They will, the pronoun they, apostrophe, ll, they'll. Will not, it's a want. It's a contraction between W and O and NT, want. The common expressions we use with simple future in 5 minutes, soon, later, today, tonight, tomorrow, or Saturday, or next week. Okay? Later, I will. Soon, I will. In 5 minutes, I will, or I won't. Okay? Soon, I will come to the meeting. Later, I won't be able to come. Today, I will go to the store. Tonight, I won't be watching TV. Tomorrow, I will be studying English. On Saturday, I will be going to the lake. Next week, I will go to the beach. So any of these expressions will trigger, are good triggers for the future to use will or want. Okay? So now with this information, let's try to do some exercises. Now, these are yes and no questions, right? With short answers. So, for example, you use the will, you put will or want before the pronoun. Will you come to the meeting? Yes, I will. Or you can say, no, I won't. Will he come to the meeting? Yes, he will. Or, no, he won't. Will she come to the meeting? Yes, she will. No, she won't. Will you come to the meeting? Yes, she will. Will you come to the meeting? Yes, I will. Or no, I won't, will be the answer, right? Will they come to the meeting? Yes, they will. No, they won't. Those will be your short answers using will and want. Okay? Now with this, let's do a little bit of exercises. Now here, we have to select the sentences that are about the future. There are some sentences here that are not about the future. How about this? Jack won't be at work today. Is that part of the future? Yes, because it has won't, right? Correct. Will you call me later? Will you call me later? Is that a future? Yes, because there's will. Did you meet Sam on the weekend? Did you meet Sam on the weekend? Is it the future? Correct. It is not, because did is from the past tense. Correct. Tonight, you'll eat free of charge. Tonight, you'll eat free of charge. You'll. Notice here the contraction. Therefore, this is future. It is freezing outside. It is freezing outside. Is that a future sentence? No, it isn't, right? That's a present. It is freezing outside, as referring as in now. I won't take the train to work tomorrow. I won't take the train to work tomorrow. Won't. Tomorrow. Future? Yes, it is. Will you have time to meet next week? Will you have time to meet next week? Yes, it is future because I'm talking about using will and talking about next week. Will. Correct. I ordered pasta at the restaurant. I ordered pasta at the restaurant. Notice that the verb order is conjugated he, ed. It's a regular past tense. So it's the past. So this is not past. This is not the future. We will have the chicken. We will have the chicken. Will, right? Correct. So that is the future. We will have the chicken. So These, every time you see will or want, you know for sure that it is from the future. Alrighty, so now we're going to complete the sentences using will or want. Okay, so let's look at this. They make a reservation for 8 p.m. So would we have here will or want? They will make a reservation for 8 p.m. That would be the correct answer. Will. Next one. Be ready to go in 5 minutes. I will, correct? Now if you want to put apostrophe ll, you can do that, but for this purposes we're going to use the complete word. Will. I will be ready to go in 5 minutes. We not come to this restaurant again. So what would be the negative of not come? We won't come to this restaurant again, right? I think we have to actually enter complete sentences, okay? They will make. I will be. We won't come to the restaurant again. She starts her new job tomorrow. She will start. We move on our new apartment in June. We will move to our new apartment in June. I visit my grandmother on Friday. I will visit my grandmother on Friday. And finally, he not work the night shift next week. He won't work the night shift next week. Okay? That will be the correct answers. Okay, so now we're going to arrange and put the words in the correct order of each sentence. Okay? We'll enjoy at the restaurant your meal. Okay, so which one would you go first? I would like to put probably the pronoun first. Then you have will. You will enjoy your meal at the restaurant. You will enjoy your meal at the restaurant. Next one. On time, Sally won't be. So who are we talking about? The subject will be Sally. What about her? She won't be able to do something, right? She won't. Sally won't. Next one, the verb. Won't be on time. Sally won't be on time. That's kind of sad. Next one. I will my homework due soon. Okay. I and will are correct. Next one will be the verb. I will do my homework soon. Or you can also say this. Soon, comma, I will do my homework. But because there's a period here, we might want to put this at the end, right? Next one, job openings we will next summer. Notice that we want to start with the pronoun first, who is the subject. We. What is it that goes next? Will or want? We will. Next, the verb. After will. We will have job openings next summer. Correct. Come, they will on Friday. What goes first? Correct. The subject. Pronoun. What's next? Will. That's correct. What's next? The verb. Come. They will come on Friday. Very good. And finally, later will John make the reservation? What goes first? The subject. What goes next? Will. What's next? The verb. Make a reservation. What's next? Okay. Make a reservation later. John will make reservation later. Okay, so now that we have these, we are going to do some exercises in class. We will put it together and talk in the future tense, okay? I will see you in a few minutes. Goodbye.